Okay, so when this car isn't warm, it makes the most annoying sound in the world. So my belt tensioner is just, I think it's going, because no matter what I do, I replace this belt, and it's still still squeaking. So I'm hoping that it's this thing, that it's making all the squeaky noises. And I think it might be. I mean, look, that thing is still spinning like that. There's no resistance. So what I did is I took it off, 15 millimeters. Just took a bungee cord to hold the belt in place. We're gonna take off this and that bolt down there, and we'll put on a new manual belt tensioner from ICT Billet. For all you people that like to, you know, put custom valve covers and stuff on your Corvettes for dress-up kit, this does look a lot nicer, but it's not what I care about. That's what I care about. We want this bearing to be good. This one might be shot, so we'll see. ICT Billet kit comes with 2 sets of spacers. Use one or both depending on your spacing. I just lined it up with one spacer to where the bolt holes would be, and I think that matches up there, so let's throw it on. Now that these are on, take this ratchet strap off, and hopefully this is in a position I can get this over. And let's see how bad it still squeaks. So I have a sneaky suspicion it is down there. Where is it? Down here. My AC belt pulley. This one here. The tensioner. I'm going to replace that and see if that does the trick. I just bought just the pulley itself, not the whole thing, because the whole thing's like $100. But maybe just the pulley itself is what we need. Let's get it open. I got it on Summit, part number 49159. All it is the pulley. We're just going to take off that bolt and put this on, and hopefully it does the trick. This is a 15. Let's see if I can pop it on. This ratchet's pretty dope. Oh yeah, that thing looks pretty beat up. Take it out by hand. For a great way to support our channel, check out lowboostfilms.com. I have a bunch of different merch on there that I know you're going to love, as well as a bunch of other tools and parts that I've reviewed on the channel that I know work well on sale there for a good price. So make sure to check out lowboostfilms.com. All right, so this is the first pulley we're going to replace. It's got some play in it. Has this backing plate on the back of it. Probably has like a dust shield, and then one on the front. So the new one, let's put it here, pretty close, should work. Just got to clean off that stuff or put it right back on just as it is. The one below it could also be gone too, but we're going to do this one first. I have that one as well. We'll replace if it's gone. So it did come with these washers, and I'm putting them on because without them, you just stick it on here and it doesn't want to spin. So with the washer, with it tightened down, it does spin. So we're definitely going to use the washers here. So I got it on there. Just pops right on. Slide that guy over, and once it's on, I'll put the belt right back over where it's supposed to be and fire it up. See if it does it. The top one's on, but after I just wiggle in that bottom one, it is wobbling. So I made the executive decision. I'm going to go ahead and take that one off too, which I have both pulleys. I just bought 2 of them so we can get it, and we'll replace that one as well. So the bottom one, I broke off with the ratchet, but once I had it, now I'm using the wrench, because if I back off at all
I won't be able to get it out. And once I get it off with that, then I can go in and get it through that way. You're looking at my meta glasses right now, so I hope you guys can see what I'm looking at. So it's hard to see, but there's some play in this, and I bet you this is why this might have been the one. So we're replacing it with that one. And then, oh, that fell on the ground. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how bad it is. All right, I think that fixed it. Let's go for a test drive. Wow, so the squeak is gone. That seems to have done the trick. The car sounds great. No more loud, annoying crap going on, so I'm really happy about that. Going to be doing more videos on the Corvette as well as every other car that I have in the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications to get notified when I have a new video. And if you can't wait until the next video, make sure to check out these videos that I already have ready to go.